Hi, I'm Nicholas Papp, and in this video, we'll explore some best practices for creating sales funnels that really convert. This is especially crucial if you're running an online business. A well-crafted sales funnel is like a roadmap guiding your potential customer on a journey from discovering your product to making a purchase. Let's start at the top of the funnel, awareness. Here, it's all about grabbing attention. I use Go High Level to create a mix of content marketing, social media, and SEO to draw in my audience. It's about casting a wide net. As we move down the funnel, the focus shifts to engagement. This is where email marketing, webinars, and targeted content come into play. I aim to educate and build a relationship with my audience, showing them the value of what I have to offer. Now, the bottom of the funnel is conversion. This is where your leads make the decision to buy. Go High Level helps me optimize my landing pages, use persuasive copy, and create compelling offers. It's about making that final push. But remember, the funnel doesn't end at purchase. Post-purchase engagement is key to building loyalty and encouraging repeat business. I use follow-up emails, special offers, and ask for feedback to keep my customers engaged. Building a high-converting sales funnel is both an art and a science. Want to learn more about crafting funnels that work? Check out my other videos for more tips and insights. Together, we'll turn your prospects into loyal customers. And if you'd like to boost your online presence and get more customers from the internet, have a look at my website, nicholaspapp.com. We've got tons of free resources. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. I can't wait to help you build your online business with profitable funnels, and I'll see you in the next video.